Welcome to Convergent Chronicles, where history intersects with science, technology, and world events. Your destination for exploring global history through concurrent events, advancements in science and technology, and significant world happenings. Am I the only one that didn't know about the tiny compasses within our brains? Deep within the intricate labyrinth of the human brain, a startling discovery awaits. Tiny crystals, each a minuscule magnet, reside within the very structure of our being. These magnetite crystals, smaller than a red blood cell, pose a profound question. What role do they play in the symphony of consciousness? Their presence hints at a hidden world, a realm where biology intersects with the enigmatic forces of magnetism. For decades, scientists have explored the fascinating world of magnetoreception, the ability of some animals to sense Earth's magnetic field. Birds, turtles, and even bacteria utilize this sixth sense for navigation, orientation, and even communication. But could these tiny compasses within our own brains suggest a similar capability lies dormant within us, waiting to be awakened? The discovery of magnetite crystals in the human brain sparked a wave of curiosity and research. While their exact function remains a subject of ongoing investigation, scientists have uncovered intriguing clues. These crystals, composed of iron oxide, are not randomly scattered but concentrated in specific brain regions. Their presence in areas associated with memory, learning, and spatial awareness suggests a potential role beyond simple navigation. Some researchers propose that magnetite crystals may act as microscopic sensors, picking up subtle changes in the Earth's magnetic field. These fluctuations could then be translated by the brain, providing us with an unconscious sense of direction or even influencing our biological rhythms. Others speculate that magnetite may play a role in information processing, enhancing neural communication, or contributing to our sense of balance and spatial awareness. The animal kingdom offers a glimpse into the remarkable capabilities of magnetoreception. Migratory birds, for example, navigate across vast distances with astonishing accuracy, guided by an internal compass attuned to Earth's magnetic field. Sea turtles hatched on distant shores embark on epic journeys, returning years later to the very beach of their birth, their internal map etched with magnetic precision. Even bacteria, the simplest of organisms, possess tiny chains of magnetite crystals, allowing them to align themselves along Earth's magnetic field lines. This remarkable adaptation aids in their search for nutrients and optimal living conditions. These examples from nature highlight the profound influence of magnetism on life, raising intriguing questions about its potential role in our own species. The possibility of human magnetoreception has long been a topic of debate and speculation. While some studies have suggested a subtle ability to detect magnetic fields, the evidence remains inconclusive. Skeptics argue that the magnetic fields we encounter in our daily lives are too weak to be perceived by the human brain. Furthermore, no specific sensory organ responsible for magnetoreception has been identified in humans. However, proponents of human magnetoreception point to intriguing anecdotal accounts and preliminary research suggesting a subconscious awareness of magnetic fields. Some individuals report feeling disoriented or experiencing altered states of consciousness when exposed to strong magnetic fields. While more research is needed, the possibility of a dormant magnetic sense within us remains a tantalizing avenue for exploration. Section 5. Spiritual Echoes, Bridging Science and the Unknown. The discovery of magnetite crystals in the human brain has also sparked intrigue beyond the realm of traditional science. Some spiritual traditions have long associated certain areas of the brain, particularly the pineal gland, with extrasensory perception and spiritual awareness. Intriguingly, the pineal gland is known to contain a high concentration of magnetite crystals. While scientific evidence supporting these claims remains elusive, the presence of magnetite in this enigmatic gland has fueled speculation about its potential role in mediating spiritual experiences. Could these tiny crystals act as antennas, tuning us into subtle energies or dimensions beyond our current scientific understanding? While such questions remain open to interpretation, They highlight the fascinating intersection of science, spirituality, and the mysteries of consciousness. Beyond the veil, consciousness and multidimensionality, the nature of consciousness itself remains one of the greatest enigmas in science. How does the brain, a complex network of cells and electrical impulses, give rise to our subjective experiences, thoughts, and emotions? Some theories propose that consciousness may not be solely confined to the physical brain, but rather an emergent property that arises from the interconnectedness of all things. In this context, magnetite crystals, with their sensitivity to magnetic fields, could be seen as potential bridges between our physical bodies and a realm of consciousness beyond the material world. Just as a radio receiver tunes into specific frequencies to access information carried on electromagnetic waves, perhaps magnetite crystals allow us to tap into a spectrum of consciousness that transcends our ordinary perception. The quantum connection magnetite as a bridge. The world of quantum physics, with its strange and counterintuitive laws, offers further tantalizing possibilities. Quantum entanglement, for example, demonstrates that particles can be linked across vast distances, their fates intertwined in ways that defy classical physics. Some researchers speculate that magnetite crystals, with their unique magnetic properties, could play a role in quantum biological processes within the brain. Could these crystals act as quantum transducers, converting quantum information into a form accessible to our conscious awareness? Such a possibility, while highly speculative, could provide a mechanism for non-local interactions between the brain and the universe, potentially explaining phenomena like intuition, precognition, or even remote viewing. The unexplored terrain, future avenues of research. The study of magnetite crystals in the human brain is still in its infancy. As technology advances and our understanding of both neuroscience and quantum physics deepens, we can expect to unravel further secrets hidden within these tiny magnetic structures. Future research may focus on mapping the precise distribution and function of magnetite crystals in different brain regions, investigating the potential role of magnetite in human magnetoreception and its influence on behavior and cognition, and exploring the quantum properties of magnetite and its potential implications for understanding consciousness. The journey into the mysteries of magnetite crystals promises to be a fascinating exploration at the frontiers of science, spirituality, and the very nature of consciousness itself. An invitation to explore the mysteries within. The presence of magnetite crystals in the human brain serves as a reminder of the vast unknown that lies within us. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the brain and the universe, we may discover that the boundaries of our current understanding are far more malleable than we ever imagined. The journey of discovery begins with curiosity, a willingness to question, and an openness to the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Subscribe and embark on a journey where history converges. Hit the notification bell and join a community that values curiosity and knowledge.